I was about to go to bed and I was going to do these things in my hair. And when I do that, I get the most gorgeous, bouncy, heatless, voluminous blowout in the morning. So I thought I'd show you how I do that. It's 1 a.m. right now, and the purpose of making this video right now is because these are overnight heatless rods, so you have to keep them for at least 5 to 6 hours, I believe. I'm scared of making this at this time because everyone in the house is sleeping and I'm talking, and if somebody comes up, I'm going to get a big lecture on sleeping on time. But my sleep schedule is anyways bad, so I thought I might use it for something. Good thing I have a mic which is attached to the spoon. My hair right now is freshly washed and air dried, so that's why it looks so untamed, but we are going to fix that and wake up with beautiful hair.
I'm being so dramatic.
Anyways, so I think I should start with the instructions. First thing I'm going to use is this oil-based serum because these things are covered with cloth, right? They will make your hair dry by absorbing any moisture that is in your hair overnight. So I feel like if you put a little extra in your hair, then it will be like it would not end up being very dry in the morning. Girl math.
Bruh.
First off, I brush my hair with a white tooth comb, and then I section my hair and put this oil in, and I make sure to put a lot in the ends to make them shiny and hydrated. I watched the clips back and I would just like to say that my skin looks bad and I don't really like it. But this video is not about my face or makeup, this is about hair. So we should focus. This light keeps dying on me. Okay, as I was saying, let's focus on my hair because I don't need to wear makeup right now. I'm about to go to sleep, alright? So let me be barefaced with some lip gloss on, but let me be barefaced because
I'm tired.
it's 1:30 a.m. You need 2 rods for this. If you have thicker hair, you can use 3, which I'm going to do. And I've got these from Amazon or Flipkart, I believe. I'll link it if you want to check it out, you can. First off, I'm going to section my crown area all the way to the back. This is where the first roller goes. And the rest of the hair, just put it in a ponytail. Next, I'm going to brush all of this hair forward, making sure there's no knots. And then I'm going to clip this section with a small clip so that it doesn't get in the way of putting the rod. Now you take the roller, place it at the end and make sure all the ends get really secured and tightly wrapped, and then you roll it inwards. If your hair is bunching up while you're rolling it, you can spread it with your fingers. Then you remove the claw clip that we put in and then you just clip it back like this. The next section starts from your ears all the way to the back. This section also gets brushed out forwards, and then what I do differently is I put a scrunchie in my hair and make a ponytail. We didn't put the scrunchie in the front section because the scrunchie leaves a mark, but in the back section it's okay because it gets covered with the front hair. We clip this in and repeat the same process for the last section. Brush out your hair, make a ponytail, put the roller and roll it up inwards and just clip it in the back. If you have layers in your hair, then make sure to put all your layers securely in the roller or you won't get it in the same direction. And that's literally it. It's that easy. Now that I look like this weird character, what I do next is I tie a silk scarf and go to sleep, and this literally doesn't move, so there's no problem of your hair getting out if you do it correctly. Even if you mess up, you can just do it so quickly. Once you get the hang of it, it literally takes 5 minutes and you wake up with great hair. So I'm gonna see you all in the morning.
Rise and shine.
Good morning. Like one of those like madams in a period drama with this thing on the top of my head. But that's how we roll. It's the next day, and I think I've had these in for like 10 hours because I woke up and then I had breakfast, everything, and then I did makeup and stuff. Let's see how this turns out. Just look at those bangs. They look perfect. You might think it's like too much volume, but it gets settled down in 20 minutes. And by the end of the day, it's like it's just a blowout, just a simple blowout. It's not this bouncy by the end of the day, but when you take it out, it's so good. I love it. Okay, I changed because I have to go out, but I have to say one thing, that it doesn't work on greasy hair. It doesn't work on like second day, third day, fourth day hair. It works on fresh hair. You won't get the same volume. You will get the curls at the end, but you won't get the same volume on your head if you do it on greasy hair. So make sure it's your hair is just freshly shampooed, or it's like first or second day hair, you know. Okay, bye. I hope you like that, because look at the results. Just it speaks for itself. Like, look at that. This hair is annoying me right now. Let me know if you want to see like a hair routine or something. What type of video should I make next? Okay, see you next time. Bye.